Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
The Andromeda-Milky Way collision, predicted to occur in about 4 billion years, poses no immediate threat to humanity's survival. Astrophysical models suggest that galactic collisions are more about merging than destructive impacts. Due to the vast distances between stars, it's unlikely that the Earth would be directly hit by another star. However, gravitational effects could alter the solar system's dynamics, potentially affecting Earth's orbit. The survival of humanity, in the context of such a distant future, depends more on our ability to adapt to changing cosmic conditions than the collision itself.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.